That was the 525 service to the other side of the loft. So I'm up here trying to make some sort of goods yard out of this old kit. I don't know what it is. It's I've had it for ages. I think I got it off eBay ages ago. I think it's one of them old German kits, but I think it's like HO scale, so it's just a little bit too small to fit stuff through, like trains. So I thought if I could fit it over the top of two platforms like that, then I could cut this section out up to there, and then it would be big enough to let a train through. So I could have it like that over two platforms on each side, and the train could go through it, and it could be a little sort of goods yard building. So that's what I'm planning to do, so watch this space and I'll be back in a jiffy. Right, hello again. That was it. That was quick and easy, so that went alright. And all I used was one of them hacksaws and a craft knife to just score the plastic. This is the offcuts that came off it. Got this little cross section that goes up there, so I'll glue it back on up there. I won't show you the other side because, well, it wasn't quite as successful, but it's alright. I can do something with it. Alright, I'll just show you. It went a bit wrong like that, but it was already glued together like that when they took the green doors off. The sides came off as well. So, but apart from that, I can just keep it, show that side anyway. So yeah, I'm quite pleased with that. It looks alright, I think. I just maybe need to make some more platforms. They're just made out of chipboard with a bit of hardboard on top. Seems to make it up to the right height as regular platforms, like Hornby and that. So yeah, that will do. It looks alright. Okay, that's my little project over for now, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Oh, wait a minute now.